When it comes to buying a home, it's essential to find the right match. That's why making sure your agent is a realtor is so important. You can trust a Colorado realtor to work with you to help you find the home that will be perfectly tailored to your needs and to your means. After all, buying a home is one of the smartest investments you can make for yourself and for your future. So open the door on the real results you deserve. Make sure your agent is a realtor. Get your questions answered today at coloradorealtors.com/gettheanswers.